Now I'm going to try and get Optiscaler to work on a heroic games launcher game like Witcher 3. So I have my game profile pulled up here, click on the install path. I already have all the files copied over here, and to find it, you just go to home and then fgmod, and you just copy all these files over to your Witcher 3 folder. Make sure it's in the bin x64 dx12 folder. So we'll close out of that. And now I'm going to go into my settings and then advanced. And with that, because that didn't work. We have a variable. And make this one DLO overrides, and I want this to equal dxgi n e. Make sure we click the add button. Close out of that. And let's play. Hope it works. And it does not. So I'll have a dxgi.dll file here. Do I have an Optiscaler file? I don't. I'll copy all of these, paste them here, and overwrite all of them. And I'm going to go to overlay. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change this value from dxgi to Optiscaler. And I'll see if that works. Still not getting the option. Don't have a version. Do I have a DBG help? No. D3D12.dll. I have D3D12 core. Maybe if I rename the Optiscaler.dll file. I think that's what I need to do. I think I saw that before. That might have been it. That was it. Gotta rename that Optiscaler.dll file. Now we're going to turn on my frames per second overlay or graph. And then I've got FSR2 enabled. I have to use XeSS as my upscaler, it looks like. Death March. Then here I can change my upscaler to FSR4. So you got some strange depth of field going on there. I'm so glad I finally figured that out. Let's turn on ray tracing.
Mountain Pass as beautiful as ever.
Up this key. I know it really doesn't matter, but these movement responses are not working for me. And then what I'm noticing now too is I don't have frame gen enabled. It's not showing up as an option for me. So I will do a quick save. Can't save. Alright, so I'm going to frame gen, use Newcombs, save this ini file, close. Put the game. Load it back up. We'll go into our video, graphics, and if I did it right, see frame gen here? Oh, there it is. I was looking in the wrong menu. I don't think it was there before, was it? Yep, and it's enabled using Newcomb's DLSS G. I just want to see real quick too. I turn on quality. How does it look? Still feels a little slow to me, so we'll switch it back to from ultra quality to quality. Feels better. That motion blur, it's bad in this game. Turn down the intensity to 2.
Witcher's fast asleep. Ciri's disappeared somewhere, of course. Guess she prefers practice to theory. Why? Time to wake up, Master. These lessons so boring they put you to sleep too?
Damn it. After taking notes on ghouls and owl ghouls, wanted to rest my eyes a bit.
Making her slog through that brick? No wonder she took off.
John of Bruges
I feel like I'm getting much better performance now than what I was getting with just the
She's tackling the pendulums, right?
vanilla FSR2 and the FSR2 frame gen.
Don't train alone. It only embeds your errors. Bring our young damsel to the lower courtyard. She wants to practice, she'll get to practice.
Don't get mad at her.
Why the hell not? The whippersnapper refuses to do as she's told.
You like that about her?
Fine. I suppose I'm partly to blame. But this has to end. Now. Killing monsters is not something to be taken lightly. Ciri must understand that, if she's to become one of us. I'll see you both.
You got... think... though... I... better not. Hey. Not...
Anything to say for yourself, young lady?
I'm
Young blood.
by ma. But you
So you did...
never.
Well, fine. Stop. What do you think?
Let's skip straight to...
You all right?
Had a nightmare.
About?
Take forever to explain.
Dawn some way off. We've got time.
Rather not talk about it.
Gotcha.
So, time to hit the road?
Wait. Show me the letter from Yennefer. Might have overlooked some hint in there.
Didn't overlook anything. We were meant to meet in Willoughby. That's what she wrote. Meanwhile, one army or another burned the village to the ground. All we can do is follow her trail, so...
Stop talking for a minute and give me the letter. Oh, how about that? It does smell of lilac and gooseberries.
You were gonna read it, not sniff it.
We must meet soon. Willoughby near Vizima. Nothing else to guide us there. What's this postscript? I still have the unicorn?
Stuffed unicorn. Used it once or twice. In certain situations.
The things young folk get up to these days.
Back on topic. How's it look? How far behind Yennefer are we?
2 or 3 days. Trail's fresh, but it looks like it leads towards the main road. Could be muddled there. Wait, hear that?
I smell it. Ghouls.
Yeah, I'm gonna switch the quality back to auto. Combat's jittery. Oh man. It was totally because of the frame rate. Totally. Not because I'm bad at this game.
You all right?
Had a nightmare.
About?
Take forever to explain.
Dawn's some way off. We've got time.
Rather not. So,
Wait,
didn't overlook it.
stop talking.
We're gonna
We must. What's the.
step back on.
2 or 3. Wait.
Lost your nerve?
Yes, necrophages follow. Let's go before any more.
Wasn't great. I think it likes ray tracing very much.
Show up.
Bird skull in black crystal. Why do I think this is Yen's? Ever tell you about this sorcerer I knew? Couldn't stop talking about how useful they are as creatures.
Because you can brew potions from their blood.
No, because by eating rotting corpses, they prevent epidemics.
Did he know they eat the living as well?
No, really upset him too. His theory collapsed.
Wonder if VSync is causing issues. Maybe? No.
Slow now.
War is not exactly going our way.
So
We have a side.
it's how to get it to work. It's not quite where I want it to be. So that's something I can check with later.
To restore the old borders as soon as he wins the war.
Believe that?
All right, so the last game I'm going to try is going to be Final Fantasy VII Remake. I have it on Heroic Games Launcher. What is interesting about this game is it does not use DLSS or FrameGen or any sort of AI upscaling. So this is just to see if this works at all. So I'll click on the profile. We'll go to our install path and binaries 164. And then I'm going to open up another window for the home. FGMod. And then I'm going to copy this and paste it here. I find our Optiscaler.dll. Rename this to DXVG. And go into my settings here for a remake on our environment. And I'm going to say this was when line DLL override. EXVG equals NB. Double check overlay just to make sure that was right. DXGI. This is what is important. EXGI. Add to save. DXGI. And I'm going to go back to Witcher just to make sure that that was correct. Override. Play. See what happens. And we got an Optiscaler. A new game. I'm cheating a little bit here, but let's go to insert. No frame gen. Nothing. Can't do any upscaler. I'm not gonna... Let's check our overlay. Yeah, my options here are pretty limited. There's no point in me using frame gen because I'm getting my refresh rate on my monitor as my max frames per second. So this might be worth it with another game to try. Worth a shot.